If I can't be a king, I'd be a king oyster mushroom. I'd be such a fun guy. Get it? Fun guy. And my vegan friends, they love these as a substitute for beef. But not as a substitute for oysters. Yo, vegans, Insta-me. I got you. So let me tell you, Mexico has one of the most vibrant street food scenes in the world. It's why it's one of my favorite places to visit. And obviously, tacos are right at the heart of it. And in Mexico, tacos are more snacky rather than, a sit-down dinner. Every time I go to Mexico, I make sure I leave the resort, find me a nice taco stand. I like the classic ones. Give me a carne asada and give me a margarita the size of my head. But my boyfriend, he likes the weird ones. He wants pineapple and passion fruit tacos. To each your own.
Walk a mile for it, get my time sorted. Mine race for first place, but there's no award for it. Hit my feet to the streets for a piece of some peace. Keep it me times 3, need to breathe when they suffocate me.
And like I said, tacos are a great snack. They're good for any time of the day. In the middle of the day, or right before dodo. I mean, I wouldn't kick you out of bed for eating a taco.
Eating tacos is the third most common reason for a person getting kicked out of bed. And whether the taco has cilantro or not is statistically irrelevant. I'm tired of sleeping on the couch when I eat tacos.
Let's give 'em something to talk about. A tasty mystery to figure out. Oh, that smells good. You came just in the nick of time. Caught me getting my Bonnie Raitt on. And voila. Chipotle mushroom tacos. Perfect for Meatless Monday. Or Taco Tuesday. Or any day, really. Sit on your throne. And guess what? I've saved the whateveriest whatever for last.